Unfair traffic tickets? Minister Vaz wants to hear from you. Minister Durrell Vaz urges motorists to share their unfair traffic ticket experiences as the Road Traffic Act review approaches. Your feedback can shape future road safety laws. Do you have concerns about unfair traffic tickets? Science, Energy, Telecommunications, and Transport Minister Durrell Vaz is calling on motorists to share their major issues with the enforcement of the Road Traffic Act, RTA. Your feedback is crucial as the government prepares to review the legislation by the end of June. I appeal to all motorists who have posted about unjust traffic tickets on social media. Reach out to the ministry or me directly. Share your experiences and recommendations, and we will consider them to resolve these issues, said Vaz. Speaking during the 2024 by 25 sectoral debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, Vaz acknowledged that several concerns regarding anomalies in the Act are part of the ongoing review. Just yesterday, 3rd June 2024, the Cabinet approved revisions to the child restraint provisions, which will soon be presented to Parliament. The Island Traffic Authority, Police, and Transport Authority are being equipped to enforce the Act effectively, he added. Vaz emphasized the importance of adhering to road laws, stating there will be no dilution of the legislation. Every effort will be made to bring the remaining provisions of the Act into force, he asserted. Promulgated in 2018 and with regulations enforced since February 2023, the RTA aims to improve road safety across the country. Turning to the Transport Authority, Vaz highlighted its recruitment of 50 additional inspectors and collaboration with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, under the Operation Streamline program to enforce transportation laws rigorously. In the past 4 weeks, this program has resulted in the seizure of over 200 vehicles and over 1,500 prosecutions for offences, including failure to renew road licenses that expired on 31st March, was reported. Vaz reaffirmed the commitment to ensuring public passenger vehicle (PPV) operators comply with the laws, particularly those outlined in the Road Traffic Regulations, 2022. We are dedicated to fostering a culture of lawfulness. PPV operators, who transport our most valuable assets, our people, must act responsibly. Lawlessness will not continue, he said. Referring to a tragic accident on Washington Boulevard involving a PPV coaster bus and a truck, which resulted in one fatality and several injuries, Vaz emphasized the importance of strict road law enforcement. This incident underscores that road lawlessness will not be tolerated, he concluded. Motorists, your input can help shape safer and fairer road traffic laws. Share your experiences with Minister Vaz today and be part of the change.